Hi boys and girls, we are going to talk about some Zoom ground rules. So when we're Zooming or we're chatting on video, these are some rules that we want to follow. So the first one is no chatting on the chat while the teacher is talking. So when I'm talking, I don't want you to be typing unless I ask you to. The second one is to make sure you're on time. So if our Zoom starts at 10 a.m., to maybe log in at 9:55 to make sure you're there at the right time. The third one is Zoom from kitchen or living room. So find a cozy spot where I can see your face. The fourth rule is to mute yourself. So if you're not muted, then I can hear everything that's going on. If your dog is barking or if the TV is on in the background, so it's better to mute yourself until I ask you to unmute. The next one is to turn on your video so that I can see your face, I can see the things that you're doing on the screen, or if I ask you to do something. The next one is to be prepared. So if it's show and tell, or you needed to bring some items to our Zoom session, make sure that you have those. And then another thing is to have an adult present. So make sure mom or dad or grandma and grandpa, aunt and uncle are somewhere in the background. The next one is to raise your hand to talk. So since you'll be muted, and if you have something to say, you can raise your hand, and I'll call on you, and then you can talk. The next one is to be respectful. So if someone else is sharing, we need to make sure that we're listening, and we're not moving the camera, we're not looking at different things on our iPad, that we're focused and we're paying attention. So those are some of our Zoom ground rules for Zooming.